Hi everybody, and welcome to my second tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be continuing with the print function and variables, and we'll be learning how to comment in Python. So let's get started. First, let's create a variable, and we'll name it num1. And inside the num1 variable, we'll store the number 7, for example. So now we'll create another variable, and we'll name it num2. And inside the num2 variable, we'll put the number 4. I want to do math with 7 and 4. So to do that, I need to print num1 plus num2. And now when I run the code, I get the answer 11. Okay, so let's erase this line of code. And we'll create another variable and we'll name it num. And inside the num variable, we'll put in num1 plus num2. And now I'll print the num variable. So print num, run the code, and it will display 11. Same answer. How does it work? It prints whatever's inside the num variable. And now what's in the num variable is the num1 variable and the num2 variable. And what's in the num1 variable is the number 7. And what's in the num2 variable is number 4. And I added this plus over here, so it tells Python, take num1 plus num2, and the answer, store it in the num variable. So now when I run the code, I will get 11. Okay, so now let's erase the code. Okay, so let's create a variable and we'll name it name. And inside the name variable, put in your name. And then now print hello plus name. And now when I run the code, it will display hello Benjamin. I tried changing the text inside the name variable to David, for example. Run the code again, and it will display hello David. So how does it work? It prints the text hello plus the text that's inside the name variable. So now let's create another variable and we'll name it hell. And inside the hell variable, we'll put the text hello. And now we'll just erase this text over here and we'll type in hell. Run the code and it will display hello David. Now, how do you comment in Python? In Python, you don't comment like this. This is the name variable. If I try running the code, I will get an error. That's not how you write a comment in Python. In Python, I have to add a hashtag. Then, after the hashtag, I put in my text. And you see the text will turn green. So now when I run the code, it displays hello Benjamin. It doesn't display our comment, and it doesn't give us any errors. So the hashtag tells Python to ignore the code that's going to be after the hashtag. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.